If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come, bring my spirits up. There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.
Alright, it's the next day. Bobby's cooking. We're gonna come back in here and chill because it's nice and cool. It's really hot here. It's been like 100 degrees here, and I think we're gonna do that today. She got hot enough, I guess she came back in here. She was out there chilling with us a bit ago. So anywho, I have to film the ground because you guys can't see it. So we're trying to shade this a little. You can see how that's creating shade. Trailer trash. Oh, here she comes. She doesn't want to stay in there. Yeah, she should. It's way cooler in there. We moved this part of the kitchen over to the shade. It's too hot. Bobby's whipping up some breakfast burritos.
One of them just flipped itself.
Popcorn?
Yeah.
You were saying this was like papas and calitos. Is that how
Papas and calitos.
Something his mother used to make a lot. And his daughter still makes.
Got fake meat.
Yeah, we got plant-based meat. And then the potatoes. And these eggs are real eggs. They haven't found a way to make vegan eggs.
No, not in the shell.
Not in the shell, no. They will, though. Vegan cheese, of course. Salsa. Flour tortilla. It's gonna season it with a little of the salt-free seasoning and black pepper. Cooking it in coconut oil. Sorry, I'm tired. And yeah, melting the cheese on top and putting in this. It should be delicious. I'm excited. And this Road Trip Grill, is that the brand?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, this thing's amazing.
Coleman.
Oh, it's another Coleman. We love Coleman. Coleman's the bomb. Oh, baby.
Love it. Been around since before us.
We love this tree, too, right now because it's so hot. See, the back galley is not... there's no shade over there, really. I was over there, but I'm not here with him. And there's a little bit of shade there, or we might just use this as a table and eat over here with our chairs in the shade. We'll play that by ear. Getting a slow start to the day. So we'll eat breakfast and catch up with y'all later. There was some partiers here last night, by the way. They were in the distance, but they went hard till at least 3:30, I'd say.
Yeah.
And our neighbors left, but the other neighbors are like using those spots, so it's fine. It's all good. Bye. So that's a little bit of shading there. That's all his shading. The dog's bed's right. Oh, she's not on the bed though, but it's cooler in there, so she's very smart to be utilizing that. It's hot. I'm hungry. Oh, and I made a little side room of my own over there. It's foil on the other side. Shading the kitchen a little bit. Interior at least. She's back in here. It's cooler, huh, girl? And I heard breakfast is served, so. And I just put on the swim skirt and bikini top because it's just hotter than heck out here. And we got very rude birds around here. Huh? All right,
Quite
so
vocal.
yeah, there's a plate that we like to use. This is dirty. Put that in the dirty dishes. Look at the coconut oil is all melting because it's hot. Put the seasonings back here in the lid. drinking lots of water, and we just had our greens vitamin. All right, so it's some tortillas.
I already have them.
Oh, that's right. You said you're
Ready
warming
to
them
go.
up.
Please come. Oh, that one's yours.
Yum. That looks delicious.
Inside?
Yes, please. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
That's enough, yeah.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna get some salsa.
I'll take them.
Oh, sorry. That
That's
was
okay, thank you.
very nice. Some salsa on here. I didn't bring sour cream. That's okay. And I think I am gonna do some taco sauce. Compliments to the ship. There's his not wrapped up. Here's mine all. Can't wait. This looks so good. And we're over here in the shade on our own little table because that one's hot. So, and our dog's in the shade over there. She's got her water.
You see your nose?
Her nose is wet. You mean? I can see her
Just
part of her body.
Just part of her nose is sticking out of there.
I'm gonna eat. Bobby went to eat the last of the potatoes and he made crisps because they sat on here while we ate. So they're like French fries. And then he's taking them and scooping up the yummy. Waste not, what not. It's funny. Oh, shade, glorious shade. There used to be a tree there, see? But no moss. It's too hot, and I forgot you can't swim in this lake. I have my floaties, my bathing suits. So we're gonna fill this up with water and spray each other to cool off with the little nozzle and the pressurized thing. It's actually awesome. And we have our own spout right here. So when we do that, I gotta get the pump too though. If you haven't seen this, this is something we got on Amazon that we do like, we would recommend. Usually we let it sit in the sun because it comes like a hot shower, but not today. We don't want it hot. So right now it's pressurizing by that little pump. And you'll see the bag will eventually get full and hard. And then you've got this nozzle here to spray, and I use it for dishes sometimes. And... Oh, okay. Bobby's gonna hang it up in the tree over here, he said. Oh, what is it? That's not our garbage, I hope. Something blue over there. So this is gonna be our cooling station. See how it's... But Bobby says it knows when to turn off. I'm always nervous. I always like back up because it feels like it's
Kaboom!
Blow us. But we got the warranty on it. Forgot what brand this one is. There's all different brands.
Perfect.
Is the brand name anything you can see and read, or is it a weird...
Green shower.
Green Shower, yeah, on Amazon. We would spray the dog too, but then she'll roll on this dirt. We'll find something to help her. Whew. Right now the dishes have been sprayed and they're soaking. We're gonna do those in a bit. It's so hot, I'm so sweaty. We're not used to it, because like I said, we live at the beach, so. Still having fun making the best of it. There's our little spot in the shade. All right, here's this natural setup. The bag's pressurized. The MacGyver device hanging from the tree. We had to MacGyver something else last night too. I want to show you guys. Something broke, and we used the broken string to make this nice little hanging device for Bobby's brand new grill brush. It's even got the little drawstring. Thought we thought of that one. All right, so the nozzle conveniently stays here, so let's get some cold water going here.
Can I just wipe my nose?
Oh yeah. Oh, it's not that cold though.
This is probably warm.
Want me to spray you a little?
Nope,
Okay.
I don't.
Oh, it feels so good on my back though. Are you sure? Oh, it feels so good. You'll love
Do
it. Oh, okay. Look, I'm gonna be like that guy who uses his wife to get everybody to view.
There you go.
Look at Bobby. I'm gonna put boom chicka boom boom music on. Clickbait. This will be the thumbnail for sure.
There you go.
I love it. Oh, and then the breeze hits it. That's great. I love it. We've been chilling. We went for a walk. We're overheated. We did a Pedialyte mix in our water. Now we're gonna walk to the pool and just take a quick dip and then come right back. And we keep splashing ourselves with a shower every few minutes. I get a swig of my water. He's getting the towel. All right, so here's the latest. Here, I'll give you guys some more eye candy.
I think the beach is outweigh, ma'am.
So, we chatted with the lifeguard who was having a heck of a time. He tried about 30 keys. Finally made it in. Told us to come back in a half hour. I want my feet rinsed. But we're just playing in the showers. They turned these on for us because the worker stopped us and said, "You guys going to the pool?" And we're like, "Yeah." He's like, "He called in sick." We said, "We just talked to him." And he said there has to be two, and one of them called in sick. So he was nice enough to turn these showers on for us, and oh man, I'm telling you, man, it's making a tremendous difference. It feels so good. It is so hot. And they were super nice and said appreciate you and sorry, and you know, that's how it happens sometimes, but I'm cooled off now at least. We'll have to dry off a little bit so we don't make mud and then get back to camp. That feels good, huh? Yeah, there you go. You're gonna get cooled off. It's hot. How was it inside there?
Nice.
Okay, good. You got her away from her bone.
Yeah, she's already away.
Come on.
Don't get wet. It's hot, girl.
Good girl. Come on. Okay.
Just a little bit. That's good. There you go. See? It feels better, huh? You like it? You're not so hot now, sweetie. All right, we're headed to the marina and stuff. We got air conditioning. Bobby, how hot is it?
Looks like it's 99 degrees. We're facing northeast.
Ooh, it feels it too. We're so grateful for air conditioning in here, and she is too. It's hot for a black dog. All right, we're gonna cruise over to the marina and store it. We have a magnet. They have a magnet and some lip protection. There's some bass fishermen out there on their boat.
Burning up. That is hot.
They have long sleeves on.
Oh, you got it. You gotta keep the sun off you. This guy's got a hoodie on and everything.
Doesn't look like fun.
No, not whatsoever. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 99 degrees weather.
See, only
The sun hitting off your head and off your feet, the reflection.
and only 2 of these spots ended up being taken where they wanted to put us originally. I'm like, no. Yeah, this place is definitely not full, but when it's triple digits and you can't get in the water, keep off not a trail. What is it for the deer? Very dry. No campfires allowed, which is fine. We can roll with the punches pretty good on stuff.
It's kind of preferable.
Yeah.
I don't trust others and smoke.
Yeah. And even just like getting in bed all campfire-y is... We're fickle campfire lovers, I guess. It's one of the launches. Water's definitely up. What's over there? There's like bathrooms and rowing club. marina's over there. We'll go over there in a second. Right over there. Wait a moment.
California boating registration enforced. I would hope so.
Sorry about the air conditioner, guys, but we gotta have it if it's noisy. There's a fish cleaning station. When Bobby catches his fish, he's gonna wait till it cools off.
Bass fisherman.
We're bass fishermen. Fishing dock right here. We're just gonna pop in here for a few minutes. We'll leave the air on for her. Oh, it's windy over here. I'm not gonna wear my hat, I guess. $5.99 a gallon. What, baby?
I guess that's how you.
That's the store?
I guess.
What? I remember it looking different.
I'm kind of tripping.
Huh. Marina store.
Bait, tackle, fish nets, ice beer. That's the store.
It says it's open. It's really windy on this side.
Large smallmouth bass, 12-inch minimum length, report all Department Fish and Game violations.
Tattle
Practice
on
catch.
everybody.
Practice catch and release, please. Why not? I let the biggest trout I ever caught in my life, I let go for some other little guy or some other guy or girl to catch or enjoy next time.
Or for to just swim freely forever and never be caught again.
Oh, I didn't even think of that. That's what I meant.
So they are asking you to please, but you don't have to. The catch and release.
That's a suggestion, yes.
Yeah. What's this guy doing? Fishing?
Yeah, something. Yeah.
All right, we'll be back. I gotta put a shirt on. We gotta put clothing on now. God. See what's in here. I'll be back. That store is actually nice and clean and had a lot of stuff, and the people in there were amazing. The temperature held really good in here for the pup. Bobby's trying this new
Veteran-owned company of coffee.
yeah, but I guess
Cold
they have
brew.
really good commercials we have to watch. We got a tarp so we can lay our outdoor couch thing on it when it's dusty like this place. We're trying a weird combination of Cheez-Its. We got more of the things to hold down the tablecloths. We got a little teardrop sticker. We got this adorable little teardrop keychain, and somewhere in here is a magnet, which is what we went in for, that. And then in my pocket I have the SPF lip protection. Nothing fancy, I'm not going to dig that out, but my lips are very sensitive to the sun, so that's super important. So we got everything, now we're going to go for a cruise, and everybody's nice and cool in here, huh? You're doing better, huh? It's not so hot, honey. She's so good now. We've been training her about like waiting, not jumping on the sides of the car. Very good dog. This is an old glass trunk. My friend used to have one of these, and I used to go out on it. But where they have that weird bass boat seat, that can be like an open bow. That's how they had it. So they had like lounging area on the front there.
Oh, it just putts around.
Oh, small engine.
Oh, yeah. That's probably a 25, 30.
Oh, my friends had an engine that was, they were really into retro vintage stuff, so they really liked that one. All right, I'll check back in a bit. And we're off-road on a shady road. So we went down this last time, but we had just had a detail and we were apprehensive, so we just went down here a little ways. We'll see how far we can go. what's up down here. Somewhere on the playlist, there's our day trip here to Santa Margarita Lake. So, I'm like getting too cold now. Looks really good, huh? I love those crags up there. They're so neat. So these could be good fishing, like in the
Hell
corners
yeah.
of the...
All of this. Any spot you could find up in here.
There's some ducks.
It's a cool little cove. He says I could fish off dogs.
Oh.
So I got worms, you and I. This little thing in. Yeah, man. Catfish. He says they're hooking the mackerel, but they're cutting giant chunks off and throwing a hook on it and catching bass with it, which
Jeez.
bass usually don't eat dead stuff like that normally, but these fishermen are throwing these great big lures out here trying to catch great big bass, because there's great big bass in here. But the great big bass are eating whatever they can find that's big. It's kind of... That's how I caught my big trout. I had the biggest trout lure I had, throwing it out there. And big hooks, big bait, catch big fish.
Little slide here. Yeah, we had a really crazy winter. This was probably flowing like crazy in the storms. I wonder why the way these trees here, when they die, they get this like a spiral, like point, very sharp point like that. Oh, I think that was poison oak over there, like a whole mess of it.
Oh, you want to see something? Some come up the tree.
Not like as thick as the one.
Hey, I'll find you a big old vine.
Tell
A
me this
canopy.
time.
There's some mistletoe up there. There's some nice big cluster of poison oak encasing the oak tree here.
Poor tree.
Get a good encasement.
Nice and full. We are figuring that the fishing spot we went to last time is now underwater. We'll see. It's so hot out there. Tell me when it gets over 100. Because it's only 2:30 and the hottest part of the day's coming, so.
Dulce Maria.
What's that?
2:30.
No swimming signs. It's really hard to be at a lake on a hot day when you can't even touch the water. No swimming or wading.
Oh, there's that little dog. There it is.
Bobby's scoping out some fishing for later. I love those crags up there. They're just gorgeous. What is it?
Dog.
Oh, you like that?
That's my dog.
That's where he wants to go fishing. You're fine. We're not doing it now, honey. I know. You don't want to get out. It's hot out
Wanna go
there.
pee-pee? I'm gonna take you out for a minute on the dock.
We'll be back. Oh, they're gonna go on the dock. I'm gonna stay here. She can get out and use the bathroom.
Hey, Mickey.
She really wants to get out. She loves being out. Sorry, I was jiggly. He loves to fish.
There's some little baby bass in there playing around. I guess they're next to the shore. Kind of up, you know, there.
I'll try to double zoom so I can get them editing.
Anywho, just a little spot I had spotted.
Running down here now. Reminds me of the Sierra's trip where no matter what we did, we ended up off-road. Remember?
I know.
It was so trippy.
I guess it goes that way, then this way back up to the road.
Yeah. Looks pretty narrow that way. You don't want to get scratches from the bushes on
Oh,
the
that's
side.
true. I got something on my roof side too.
Oh, geez, yeah, we have our... I believe it's pronounced Tool, but I'm not sure. T-H-U-L-E. Carrier on top. Wow, those airplanes are doing some stuff, huh? This side's pretty wide. The other one looks pretty narrow, like it hasn't been traveled much. Wow, it's nice and shady over here.
Nice and shady over here, huh?
There's another little dock.
Oh my God.
Look at that one. That's the one.
And I didn't bring my fishing pole and stuff with me.
You gotta start doing that. Well, once it cools down, we can come back to the ones that you want to fish at.
Baby, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it.
Right now we're just exploring, getting out of the heat for a little bit. It's too hot, too much.
It's too much. Can she?
Someone got stuck. Oh no, that's water runoff.
Man.
Or is that stuck? Or just water runoff? I don't know.
There's probably water runoff from somebody getting stuck at one point because look how it's
Oh yeah. There's definitely a chain across. We're like, yeah, don't drive up here anymore.
We're like, yeah, no.
No.
Try taking your fifth wheel up here.
We're right on the banks. So plenty of access on the shore, but you can't go in the water.
Yeah, just don't touch the water.
There's the little marina we were at across the way there. It just goes to show appearances. Don't judge by the appearance. The outside we're like, oh God, and inside it was just a lovely experience all the way around.
I know.
And like that cute little keychain I got was only $3.99. That little teardrop keychain. It's so cute. It's gonna be a decoration. Alright, so we're going back up this way. Here, look at all the lily pads and stuff in there. I guess we had a late breakfast, so skip lunch. We'll just be going to dinner when we're hungry, huh? Snacks. We got plenty of snacks.
This is what I have been waiting for.
I thought it said something about the Bano, and you're going. There's Gray Pine Trail. It's too hot to hike today. There's no way. Up to the crags. This is White Oak Flat. White Oak Flat. One thing about our stuff is we don't edit, and bloopers or they just stay in. So we don't have a blooper reel because whatever happens, just happens. Oh, there's that other launch over there. See where the boat is.
Oh yeah.
There's a big barbecue, some really nice shade here, green grass. These are like group area where you can rent for parties or whatever. Looks like there's another. I don't know if that's a fish cleaning station right there or what that is.
I'll be back, you guys.
All right, swing set. Some nice old rock wall looking stuff, but that's been here a long time. Yeah, this is cool. Lights right there. We're on a slant. She doesn't like it when we aren't all together. We're a unit at like a pack. We got our new ladder installed, looking good. Off-road again. We've never been past this point, I don't think. And right?
I don't think so.
The lake is still right. We're still circling the lake. There is a dam over here at the end. Climbing a little. Pretty view. So many toolies at this lake right now.
So many. Tomorrow. So we saw Stevie Nicks tribute band last weekend, and we've seen her before, and they're awesome. But ever since that, like, there's just we're like bombarded with Stevie Nicks music, which is good. We like it. It's just weird. Unrequested, it's just happening.
Yeah, we're not searching for it. It's just no different stations, different playlists, different whatever. It's just popping out. Sorry, it's bumpy. Folks. We do have 4-wheel drive, by the way, if needed. Probably won't need it, but it's part of why I'm willing to be adventurous like this. We got extra if we need it. Oh, we're gonna go down, huh? It's all good training for the dog. To learn to just chill for road trips, because we're gonna be on the road for 21 days this fall. Stay tuned for those episodes, and I still have to do last year's fall vacation. And Bass Lake. What's wrong, babe?
You still have to do next year for yours. Just reacting to you.
Oh. That's something. I missed something. This is cool. I like how it's shaded.
Totally.
All right, we're gonna keep exploring. Climbing up to a hilltop here, and I guess there's a horse crossing with people. So not wild horses.
Horse options.
Horse options. Ooh, what the heck? Everyone's driving for a little bit. What's that say? Oh, a trail.
Great Pines Trail. That's the other side.
Oh,
of it.
yeah, that's where that one. Almost 3 miles. Oh, it goes to the main entrance, it says, huh? I guess. See how pokey these get at the top? These freaking trees are like weapons. Some rocks in the road. But it's pretty clear. Pretty good. I thought maybe we were gonna come over this summer and the lake would be there, but there's the lake down there, I see it. Lots of moss from the trees. And I used to call it Spanish moss, but in all honesty, I don't know if that's Spanish moss. I might think it might have a different name.
Miner's beard.
I don't know. I don't remember where I.
Miner's moss or something.
I always think about this story where the lady would go collect that out of trees for crafts, and then she was like infesting people's homes with all the bugs and stuff that were in the wreaths and the flower arrangements and stuff.
Here you go.
Freaky. Got like a stone wall to the left. And a pretty steep drop to the right. Way down there actually. What is that, a pipe? I don't know what that big tree that's down. There's the lake.
It's all right for us to drive slow. Grandpa can't race.
Do you want to run along outside? It's too hot, girl.
Yeah, you want Grandpa leave you?
These rocks.
Lay down. Lay down.
Maybe we should start bringing her chew toy in. I don't know. It's all learning. She's come a long way. She'll continue to learn. All right, we're getting back down here to lake level now. We did a little climbing and we came back down. There's that big tree over there that was down I was talking about, but I thought it was a pipe. It's so big.
Oh yeah, it is so big.
Got some chill music.
Blue Oyster Cult.
Nice. Oh, it's just like a little pull-out turnaround spot. They cleared some debris. Some debris, as some people like to say. I'm not going to name them because I happen to like them. They're YouTubers, but they don't know some words too good. Ah, it's really neat over there, that little rock formation thing. There's a boat.
It's very sunny out there for them.
It does. And hot. Not just sunny, but hot.
We're heading eastbound and 99 degrees still.
That's not going to break 100, I guess. At least our temperature gauge. There's a boat coming. It's
that's what
really
I'd be doing.
fast. Here it comes.
I'd be trying to hang with them.
Bobby would race them.
Oh yeah, I'd be up with them. His motor's not bigger than mine. He might plane better. He didn't leave much of a wake. I can speedily beat myself.
And I don't like going super fast in the boat.
I love full throttle.
And my side, the windshield's not there, so I get blasted. There's picnic tables up there too. Fork in the road. Don't go this way, right? Otherwise you're gonna go back where you came, I think. Or you think you should keep continuing towards... But if I'm wrong, it's gonna be my fault. Well, I'll take it. Take the blame.
Watch what you say, cult of personality.
All the corners are so mucky.
I'm at a whopping 4 miles an hour, just blowing dust up.
it's like baby powder. It's so fine, the dust here. Horse shit.
What? I was just gonna say, what's that in the road?
Karina.
A pile of horse shit. It's a bunch of horse shit, you guys. The dust.
All right, there's a little incline with some problems, so Bobby's gonna put it in 4-wheel drive inclines, like a pro, like a boss. Lots of ruts and divots. Wow, this thing's so smooth. Dang. Smooth like butter. Okay, and that's all he needed, so then he takes it out. By the way, this is how 4-wheel drive goes in these newer SUVs. Oh, I like the way the moss looks right here.
Did not hit a hole. Thank God I 4-wheel drive before and been in sketchy situations and can come out of it normally.
Yeah, he's a very good driver. Thank goodness.
It's tough when you're going up trying to climb something and you can't make it and you got to back down and you're like pitched sideways. Sometimes you have to take it out of 4-wheel drive, spin the back tires to get this line back up and put it in 4-wheel drive because it's...
Glad we didn't have to do all that.
Oh no, we would never have to here in the dry stuff and you know.
Another trail.
No.
Oh, they found a little spot. You fishing? Oh yeah, he's fishing. Yep, I'm filming you, sir. You and everybody with you. Oh, you left all your doors open? Why? Reminding you, don't swim. Climb it again.
Oh.
What? Is it end? Oh, jeez. So this guy's at the dead end. That's where he likes to go. All right. We explored this part.
Now we know.
Can't race that guy.
No. I could race him.
At least you know when to not push it.
He's like half wrong.
So we're chilling on this nice little bench here. Lakeside, and plenty of shade, and the dog's happy. She had to use the bathroom, that's why she was being whiny. She got her water. So yeah, we're way out here in the off the dirt trails we've been on, away from all the people. It's nice, relaxing.
Oh, the rock scared you?
Yeah, it rolled maybe and scared her?
No, just the way the disappearance, reappearance.
Oh, she's still jumping and scared of that rock. That's so funny.
Never been around waves or a long time. Oh, it'd been a long time or something, huh?
She is getting in there a little bit with you though, getting her feet in. That's cute.
And this is okay because they would have signs with the finger not touching the lake, meaning no human contact. It says no swimming.
It says no swimming or wading. I forgot, but I won't tell on you. You just have your toe in there. And she just has half a toe. I keep forgetting the weird rules.
Grandpa do?
You're getting your little feetsies wet, huh?
Yep, it's one of her radiators, feet and mouth and ears and.
Oh, getting the feet cools down her whole body.
Should, I think so. It's one of their extensions. Furthest extensions of.
Oh, there's fishing line right there. This boat has a dog leading the way. It's so cute. He loves it. Our dog likes going boating too. But she can't get in the water at the lake we go to most of the time, Lopez, so we don't want to torture her. Nice. Yeah, Bobby's, I think, gonna fish here later, maybe. I'm gonna wait. Ah, it didn't trip her out as much that time. Just the first time, I guess. I make this tea and refill it in here. I'm gonna try some of his tea. I don't drink it often.
Time. I've done my sentence.
All right, so we went back to base camp, got provisions, came back on the unpaved road, and check out our spa and all of our provisions, which we're able to put in the top carrier too. So there's his chair when he wants to sit. There's my lounger, which I love. We've got two of these. The new tarp we got at the store today. It's such a pretty color. There's her little bed spot. Music. We got the citronella candles, water. He's fishing, of course. So this is the fishing spot he chose. There's nobody else around. We do have bass boats that are coming by and heading over there. There's some fishing over there too. So yeah, the road goes up there, but the road dead ends like around the next two little points there. And there's one other guy down there, and then the worker lady, and we haven't seen anybody else. Oh, I can actually see in the water here. I can like see down a little bit. Unlike Lopez. So as soon as he catches a fish, I'll tape that. In the meantime, I'm gonna do journaling, I think. I put a little bit of journaling in the, if you're new to the channel, I'll show you. Sorry, I gotta go up the ground. So reveal specifics on the vehicle. So I like to read in this almanac, and then this is our journal. This is like a $200 and something Italian leather. Long story, but Someone gave it to us basically, and this is what we decided to do, our camping journal. So I'll work on that. Chill. This is my view from my little thing. My girl's right next to me in the shade, and perfect music, and just beautiful view, and relaxing, feeling grateful. He's serious. This guy came zooming in and like, talk about putting on the brakes. Looks like he's gonna do some bass fishing right by us here. He's got the kind of engine we have, but ours is the older one where it still was a blue stripe instead of red. Oh wait, is that a Mercury or a Yamaha? Merc, right? Wow, that's a lot of weight. Our dog doesn't really, she's adjusting, but she kept running over to the edge and like trying to get to the bottom of it because she's such a guard dog. See, there she goes. It's done. It's okay, girl. It's all good. Bet you caught a fish over there before. That's why he's going there. And you steer those with your feet and everything, right, when you're standing up there?
Yes.
Yeah, bass boats are pretty fancy. That's part of why they're expensive. He's getting right up on the shore there. Fresh made potato salad and fresh made coleslaw. This stuff is hella good. He said he's got a bite, so I gotta get up. Maybe not. That's what he said. No?
Oh, it seems like it just takes a minute sometimes.
I'm not patient enough, I guess. There's a squirrel up here chitter chattering. Bobby doesn't like it. Okay. Sun's going down. It's 7:30 and it's still 95 degrees. When we got here yesterday, it was 86 at 5, so it was a bit hotter. We're coming out of our main fishing spot. We're gonna stop at some other little ones along the way out on the unpaved road here. We saw horses staging. Really, we saw their butts, horses' butts. All right, there's one of the fishing docks.
There's somebody on it.
Yeah.
People, yep. Everybody's flocking to the water now.
Oh yeah, there's several. You can still go pop off there and live in the car for a minute. It's all right. I don't mind.
There's other dogs too.
Whichever. Come on. She just cannot be away from her grandpa, and he's fishing down at this dock. So hold on, girl. I gotta shut the door. We'll go make sure grandpa's all right. Stay out of the weeds. Stay in the middle on the path, girl. We don't want rattlesnake bites. Thought you wanted grandpa. Oh, maybe she has to go to the bathroom. Those crags up there are just beautiful. So pretty. Oh yeah, she has to go potty. Pee-pee. There's a little store we were at earlier. I'll show you more in a minute. We're gonna come out on the dock. Right here, Kaya, look, up here. Come on the little, let's go. No, Kaya, come up here, come on. Up on this, stay on this. Can you do it?
Easy.
he caught 2 little crappie. Wasn't much to tape because they don't put up a fight. And then he got some other bites. And we're gonna head back to camp now. We're not gonna hurt you, Mama. Go on ahead. Take your time. They had a baby too. 88 degrees at 8:30 in the shade. Look at all the poison oak everywhere.
Over me.
Need to go take a shower at camp. Stayed out after dark, honey.
We did. We're living it up.
Wow, what's going on there? That rock looks very precarious. Oh, never mind, I can see. I thought that was an illusion. Probably gonna be a lot of deer out this time at night. There's the little dock he was fishing on the last one. And more deer just ran in front of us, and more babies, spots. I wasn't filming. That's how it goes sometimes. Lots of people fishing right now. I kept hearing someone say, "Got another one!"
These guys are around the dock catching bluegills, little catfish, little baby bass. Yeah, if I would have put smaller hooks, I could have kept fish all day long.
These guys were catching them all. Neighbors, but I don't know if they're setting up their snack bar. Or what. I'm so confused about our neighbors. It's a DIY something. Let's see if I can tape with them. All right, back to camp. Dark, nice, cool down. What is this thing? What is this thing?
It's like a barbecue.
I don't get it though. Is like they're gonna sleep in that thing? Or is that just how they cook or what? That's so weird. All right, I guess we'll be seeing what this is all about. Everybody's back at camp. We had both had showers with our shower thing. It was so much better. Just listen to music, about ready to make dinner. All right, we bought one of Bobby's lion mane mushrooms to put in our camping meal. He's gonna cut it up. I'll show you the rest of what's going on here in a minute. Look at the benefits to lion mane mushrooms. You'll be so surprised. And our neighbors had a campfire. It was against the rules and they just got busted.
Busted.
We were so nervous. It was like a snapping, crackling, like ember blowing up in the sky kind of fire too. So we feel better now.
Much safer for California's feeling the ease. Like, not yet.
All right, well, he's doing that. Over here. Uh-oh. I gotta turn this on for a minute. It's gonna make hella bugs come. So, vegan ground beef, basically. Seasonings. Texas toast. He's gonna cook these veggies in butter, and they're already all ready to go. And that's gonna be dinner. See, the moth's already there. Yuck. Ugh. And the mushrooms. We just added the zucchini to the rest of the squash, actually, to the stir fry. That'll be for the lion's mane. And then over here, he's got the vegan patties grilling. Oh, you can't see them. Here, let me get the... Oh, there you see. And they look good. And then he's going to put the Texas toast on now. Probably when he does the mushrooms towards the end.
Yeah, that's
The lion's mane mushrooms. So yeah, we're getting there. It smells so good. There's the lion's mane. There's the little girl on her little bed. It's time to serve up dinner. Let's see how we're gonna do this. And then what? I just like dump a little on you.
Exactly.
I don't want as much. What's wrong?
Especially on the area right there for us.
Uh-oh.
I'll get it. There you go.
Ooh. Do you want more?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's perfect.
I have no idea what it's taping, guys, but whatever, because we're just trying to eat our food. That's tricky. I'm just setting it on top. You can rearrange. All right. Oh, that's not fair that that person gets too burnt. We'll swap them out when we sit down. All right. Sit over here. And just switch. And then we got a bunch of raccoons harassing camp. Let's see if we can see them up there. We saw the beady eyes and then Bobby, oh, there they are right there. They like, I don't know what they did. They like slammed something and then we heard water like gush down the hill.
There's still something, someone's or something.
Yeah, they grabbed someone's stuff and ran up the hill.
There's one coming down the tree.
Where?
Right there with my light.
Oh gosh. Yeah, I don't like them. They're not very big though. Whole hillside of raccoons. All right, everybody's all safe and snug in bed. Well, not in bed, but in the...
Those they
away from the raccoons.
freaking critters, bruh. Oh, yeah.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just be love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for
Bring
watching.
my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.